It's worth mentioning that our AI engine is built to deliver results as close to 100% accurate as possible. That said, because video styles and personal preferences can vary greatly, we've included a wide range of tools that allow you to fine-tune and personalize your final output. Take volume control, for example. If any segment sounds too loud or too soft, simply click the volume icon to quickly adjust that specific line. When it comes to background music, you have full flexibility. Select the BGM track, click the volume button, and easily raise or lower the sound, or choose to mute or unmute it, setting it precisely to your liking. If you find the speech pace too fast or too slow, you can adjust it easily. Locate the sentence you want to modify, then drag the edges of the track. Stretching it slows the speech down, while shortening it speeds it up. Finally, for timing and synchronization, refer to the timeline. You can drag the track to shift when a voice begins or ends on screen. It's often helpful to watch the video playback while doing this to achieve a more polished and perfectly aligned result. As you make changes, you can preview them instantly and fine-tune every detail in real time. Everything is fully adjustable, and best of all, it's super easy.